What's up, it's your boy Super Mario 1990 coming at you with an iPad Mini A17 Pro unboxing, or I like to call it the iPad Mini 7. I guess Apple just calls it A17 Pro because that's the chip, and that's the chip with Apple Intelligence, a new feature that they're trying to push going forward with their new products. And I got this as an upgrade for my iPad Mini 5. This is the Mini 5. I've been rocking this one. I've been rocking with this homie for like almost 5 years. And the homie just conked out on me. Now, I'm not a conspiracy theorist by any means, but I do low-key think that Apple, when they make their products, they put a kill chip inside of it, and they already got access. I feel like they got access to your purchasing, so they know when you upgrade and when you're not upgrading, and they activate that kill chip, and it just messes your stuff up. Because I've been having internal screen issues. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. If I turn it on, it's really dark. But anyways, it was like a lot of discoloration. I couldn't get my screen to show up properly. At first it started with like these purple lines, kind of like through the screen. If you touched it in a certain area, they would go away. But then they would come back. So it just got to the point where it just got worse and worse, and now it's just rendered useless. So the iPad Mini 5 is officially dead. Rest in peace to the dead homie. You know what, nah, this is carpet, we're not gonna do that. But you get the point. So I had to get an upgrade. So I got this joint, and I like the minis because you can just take it with you. It's a nice little tablet. It's Apple's ecosystem, which personally I like. And you just get to do whatever on the go or at home. It's a nice mid-level screen. This one is 8.3 inches from the 7.9 inches. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's the same size, both of the minis. I think it's just the screen is a little bigger because they got rid of the home button. And I think the bezels might be just a little smaller, but we'll check it out. But I ended up getting the iPad Mini. I got the blue one. The other one was space gray, and so I like when they actually do colors, and I felt like the blue would be the cutest one. So we'll check it out. We'll see what's up. It's been out since October, so it's really not that old. It's like 4 months old, which is nice. I think when I got my other one, I think it was only a few months old too. I think I got that one, then it was pretty new. So here we go. Nice little minimalist unboxing. I like how Apple's nice because you don't have to tear up a lot of stuff. All you gotta do is just unseal the stuff, and then it's open. You gotta rip through no plastic. You don't gotta use no box cutters. So that's real nice. I really appreciate that. They want you to actually open your product and have it in your hand and play with it. They're not trying to gatekeep. So I do like that. So go on, grab this baby. See what it look like. Ooh, oh, I'm loving it. I think y'all gonna love it too. This is nice. I don't even want to keep touching the screen because I'm a little OCD. I don't want to put no fingerprints on my stuff. But look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look how sexy that is. I mean, I'm not gonna lie though. I thought it would be, because it in the light a little bit, it kind of looks a little silver from where I'm at. But it's like a baby blue. But it's not as saturated. It's not as vibrant as I thought it would be. But it's still cute. It's still nice. It's still an upgrade, I feel like, from this is the space gray. So it's nice. It's actually thicker too, actually. This iPad Mini got a little thick. It done gained some millimeters. I like it. So here it is, y'all. And they got rid of the home button, which, to be honest, I'm not gonna front. My brother told me about them getting rid of the home button, and I hated that idea. I think it was like the original iPad, one of the newer generations got rid of it. It's like, why would you do that? That's stupid. Because I used to always use the home button. Because I wasn't really good with the finger gestures. I didn't know how to actually exit out and close apps. So I would actually use the home button, double tap, have like multiple apps open, I would just close and do like that. But since I had that screen discoloration, I noticed that if I pressed the home button, the purple lines would appear, and I would have my iPad like perfect. And so I'm like, okay, I don't want that to appear again. So I stopped using the home button. I basically would press the power button to get it out of sleep mode, and then use my PIN number to activate it so I don't touch the home button. And then I actually learned how to use all the finger gesture swipe, bring up all the apps with just the finger and then delete all that. So I'm like, I'm well versed actually. It's kind of a blessing in disguise the thing broke down on me, because now I know how to do something. Because I was going on mini strike. I'm like, I'm going on a strike. If they ain't getting the home button, I'm not getting anything Apple unless they bring the home button back. Now I'm like, you know what? Goodbye home button, we good. So look at that. And look how much screen you get. You probably can't really tell because it's not turned on, but the bezels are reduced. They're still there, but they're reduced a lot. And not having a home button, that's a lot of extra screen. I feel like if I'm doing anything on here, like if I'm gaming, if I'm reading, if I'm writing, I'll get a whole lot of screen. Because even trying to play xCloud on here, it was nice, but at the same time, it was thick bezels. And if the aspect ratio was 16:9, you had black bars. So you had bars and bezels at the same time. I'm like, I can barely see what I'm doing on the game. Come on now. So this should pretty much improve everything, like streaming and everything. So this should be nice. And we're going to get into the accessories that we get with this joint. See, we get some designed by Apple California. I think we get stickers, right? Oh no, we don't get stickers. Oh, this is basically starting it up. It's like safety and handling, all that. It's just nice. This is what I'm really liking. This is nice. We get an adapter. It's funny, these days it's like 50-50. You don't know what is coming with an adapter and what's not. They usually always come with a charging cable, but it's nice to have extra one of these around. Because when I had like USB-C, because that was Lightning iPad Mini 5, so I was kind of pissed off. I'm glad that this one has USB-C, and I was getting devices that had USB-C charging capabilities. I was like, oh man, but I ain't had no plug. I had a Nintendo Switch, so I would use my Switch adapter to basically plug up all my USB-C accessories, like all my headphones and everything. So now I'm like, you know what? I just got to get a devoted third-party plug. I got like one of those 2-in-1 adapters. So now it's nice to actually have another one around. I got like 3, maybe 4 different USB-C adapters. So that's nice that this came with it. I know not every product period comes with these, so it's nice to just have another one sitting around. This is the upgrade that I truly appreciate. This right here. We have a braided cable, so it should last longer, because this is what pissed me off, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all a little something about this. Because you remember how Apple used to do us back in the day, right? Look at that. I shouldn't really show y'all that because that's just nasty. Like that just looks like a censorship strike waiting to happen. This is disgusting. I shouldn't even be showing y'all that. But you know what's crazy about this though? You would think that I'm the type of person that travels with this thing. No. I only charge my device at home. That's all I do, because I got trust issues. I don't like to go out and have my stuff just sitting there just charging. I don't want people hovering over my stuff, touching over it. I for sure don't want nobody stealing it. That's going to mess around and get you shot. So I'm like, I don't like any of that. So I charge my stuff at home. And even like plug and play, I rarely ever do plug and play. I'm a writer. I do love to write. So the rare occasion where you'll see me plug this up while using it is if I'm writing and I'm just like in a good space. Creative juices are just flowing and I can't be stopped. And then all of a sudden the battery's like, oh, 3%. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll get my charger over, plug it in, and I can just keep typing, keep going. So I barely even, that's like the only time I would like plug it up and use it at the same time. But basically it's just stationary. I keep it in one spot. And yeah, I've had my iPad for roughly 5 years. But for someone who doesn't travel with a cable and just uses it in one spot pretty much and rarely ever plugs and plays and rarely ever stretches it out, it should not look like this. Look at that. So for people who do go out and use it, I for sure know y'all ain't been lasting nearly as long as mine, because look at that. And I take care of my stuff, you know. I'm real gentle with mine. I protect my stuff. I'm a very careful person. I'm not rough with it. I'm real gentle. So it should not be looking like that. So this build is just weak. It's not sustainable. So I really appreciate the braided cable. Thank you for that. This is nice. So we got that. We got that. And we got the mini blue. It's nice. I actually don't know if y'all can see the blue now that I'm showing it to y'all, because in certain like lights and certain positions, it kind of does look silver, but it's still pretty nice and cute. We got volume buttons here. I don't know if I showed y'all that. You still have touch via the power button, which is right there. So it's Touch ID, it's not Face ID. And you got your speakers and you got your USB-C. So this is nice. And then you got your magnet right here for the Apple Pencil Pro, which I'm gonna get. Definitely gonna take advantage of that. And I understand, because it's like it's a mini, I get it. But I wish Apple would have actually like made first party keyboards. But I use Zagfolio, so I guess they looking like, what weirdo was gonna type on a mini? I'm sorry, me, I do that. This is basically my replacement for my laptop that I don't use anymore. I call my laptop Franklin, because just like Franklin and Turtle off PBS, he don't want to start, he don't want to work. I turn that thing on, he be going on strike like, nah, I ain't working today. I'm like, bro, I turned you on 3 hours ago. I don't care. Whatever plans you had, we canceling it. So I don't even use my laptop no more. I just use this, and I do write on here. I like to do that. So I know y'all ain't gonna do it. I'm just begging y'all. If you make a first party keyboard for the minis, I would support y'all, man. I would. I really would. I would stop getting the Zag third parties. I would get the Apple keyboard. I know y'all ain't gonna do it, but I'm just asking. But you know, that's what's good though. iPad Mini 7, iPad Mini A17 Pro, sorry. Apple Intelligence. This is what it looks like. This is what it is. And it's a little thicker, like I said. It's thicker, which is nice. Hopefully that means it's got a longer lasting battery. The thicker they are, usually the bigger the battery, or they can kind of fit it a certain way, so you know, hopefully. But yeah, man, this is your Super Mario 1990. Let me know what y'all think about the iPad Mini, or which is your favorite iPad. Because I know this is for certain people. It's not for everybody. Because of the small screen, they want bigger screens and all this and that. Me, this is perfect because I can take it anywhere I want to, and I can do my productivity anywhere, and even at home. It's not cumbersome, it's not too big, it's nice. I can, you know, don't have to worry about dropping it. It's not too big or not too heavy. So I love it. It's perfect for me. But yeah, man, it's your Super Mario 1990. I'm out. Peace in. It's saying hello to me. I think it's different languages. Just letting y'all see how it starts up. I forgot how the other one started up. It's been so many years, but it might have been similar. I don't know. That was 2 generations ago. Like I said, y'all, Apple do not want you trying to carry the same device across generations. They put that kill chip in and they're like, nope, shut it down. He needs to upgrade, bro. So there we go. I think it went dark. It didn't say that I need to charge it, but let me try something. Maybe that was... Oh. I'm at 91%, bro. I don't think I've ever had that. This is brand new. Okay. Yeah. But, you know, that's your intro screen. That's how it looks. All that other stuff is personal. I'm going to do that on my own time, but just to let y'all know. That's what we're rocking with. Looks nice, looks sexy, nice and sleek. I like it. Oh, I said ciao. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. Yeah, man, it's your boy Super Mario 1990. I'm out. Peace out.